My name is Marian Duran. I am a rising junior here at Dennis University, double majoring in psychology and religion. I'm also the vice president of Lambda Theta Alpha Sorority Incorporated Zeta Phi chapter here at Denison. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of background information on my sorority. So Lambda Theta Alpha Sorority Incorporated was founded December 1975 at Kean University in New Jersey. We were established as an academic sorority, and we are the largest and the oldest Latina-based sorority in the United States.
Hello everybody, my name is Stephanie Rodriguez and I am a junior. I am the current chapter president of the Zeta Phi chapter.
Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Sorority. I'm currently a junior. I am the treasurer of the Zeta Phi chapter of Lambda Theta Alpha Sorority Incorporated.
Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline Nguyen. I am a sophomore and I am currently the secretary and academic chair of the Zeta Phi chapter.
Hi everyone, my name is Katy Zacarias. I am a junior from San Rafael, California. I currently hold the position of community service chair.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia. I am the social chair. I crossed spring 2020 and I'm from Chicago and I'm the chair of my line.
Hi everyone, my name is Christy Valdivia. I'm a junior and I crossed in spring 2020. I currently hold the position as Chapter Recruitment and Retention Advisor.
If you would like to get to know us better and you see me around campus, you can always stop me and say, "Hi, Mariam, like I would like to get to know more about TA." You can also follow us on our Instagram page, and you can also email our CRA email, which I'm going to put here, if you guys have any questions on our upcoming events and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for wanting to learn about my organization, and I wish you the best day. Thanks.